Changing the subject of a formula. Rearrange a formula is something really important we used in maths and science. Okay, when we consider this rectangle, if length we denoted by letter L and the breadth we denoted by letter B and area is A, we can write A equal L times B. Now in this equation, A is the subject of the formula. But subject of the formula can be changed according to our necessity. If we want to find the breadth, we can rearrange the formula as B equal A divided from L. Now B is the subject of this formula. Today we are going to change the subject of formulas which involves squares and roots. A equal 5r square. Let's make r as the subject of this formula. For that, we need to move everything away from r until r is by itself. Now, first we are going to remove this 5. For that, the mathematical operation between r square and 5 is multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. Now we are going to divide both sides from 5. Then 5 cancel. Then A divided from 5 equal r square. But we need just r, not r square. For that we have to take the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. Then r equal plus or minus A divided from 5. Here we take plus or minus because if A square equal 4, A equal square root of 4. This one we can write as plus or minus 2. Then 2 times 2 equal 4 and also negative 2 times negative 2 equal 4. Therefore, this one we have to write plus or minus square root of A divided from 5. V square minus U square equal to AS. Now we are going to make V as the subject of this formula. Now for that we have to remove this minus U square. Opposite of minus U square is plus U square. Then we add U square to both sides. Minus U square plus U square cancel. Then V square equal to AS plus U square. We want just V. To get V, we take the square root of both sides. Then V equal plus or minus square root of 2AS plus U square. T equal to 5 square root of L divided from G. In this formula, we are going to make L as the subject of the formula. Okay. First, first let's remove 2, 5. Now the 2, 5 mathematical operation between 2, 5 and this square root of L divided from G is multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. So divide both sides from 2, 5. 2, 5 cancel. Then T divided from 2, 5 equal square root of L divided from G. To get rid of this squaring, we are going to take the square of both sides. Square of both sides. Then t square divide from 2 square equal 4, 5 square equal L divide from G. To remove this G, the mathematical operation between L and G is division. Opposite of division is multiplication. Multiply both sides from G. So then t square G divide from 4, 5 square equal L. C equals square root of a square plus b square. Here now we are going to make a as the subject of this formula. Okay. To get rid of this squaring, first we are going to take square of both sides. Then c square equal a square plus b square. Now opposite of plus b square is minus b square. Therefore we subtract b square from both sides. B square minus b square cancel. Then c square minus b square equal a square. We just need a, therefore we are going to take square root of both sides, plus or minus, then a equal plus or minus square root of c square minus b square. Y equals square root of a plus 3 over x. In this formula, now I am going to make x as the subject of formula. For that, we need to move everything away from x until x is by itself. To get rid of this squaring, I am going to take square of the both sides. Then y square equal a plus 3 over x. Now to remove plus a, I am going to add minus a to both sides. Then y square minus a equal a minus a cancel 3 over x. Now we are going to make x as the subject of this formula, but here in this fraction x is on the denominator. To get rid of this fraction, now I am going to multiply both sides from x. Here this whole expression multiply from x. Then x cancel, x, y square minus a equal 3. To make x as the subject, we have to remove y square minus a from this side, then divide y square both sides from y square minus a. Then x equal 3 over y square minus